here is a whole chicken. You see, a whole chicken, and it comes with a bunch of insides. So we will today use the insides and the bones to make our wonton broth. We'll do something with the rest of it, okay? Breaking down the chicken just like you're breaking down a cooked chicken, okay? There's one thigh. Gotta open the next thigh. Don't forget the oysters in the back over here. One wing. The other wing. Okay. Take out the breast. Breast. Tenderloin. Carcass. We're gonna blanch them. Wings, tip, or stock. Wing. Tenderloin. Breast. Wings, 2 wings. Drums. Bone the drums and the thighs. The drums. There you go. Breast, chicken breast, tenderloins, tenderloin, wings, thighs, okay? And bones for broth.
Thanks for joining us today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. If you enjoyed this episode, it only takes a moment to post a positive rating and review. Your support allows us to grow the community and reach more extraordinary people just like you. And come check out the Art of Chef YouTube channel on your next lunch break. We'd love to see you there. Thanks again for listening. See you in the next episode.